Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix opening Photos library on your app here. Sometimes it doesn't open for various reasons when we have Photos library on external hard drive because of the latest update of Mac, and also sometimes the system cannot detect and read the file from hard drive because of data cache and other things. So for an example, I was trying to open this from this drive, but it didn't work, and it was continuously not working as I tried different methods, and yeah, so it's easy sometimes just copying this to the computer and then it works, but this photos library is quite big, I mean large file, so I that's why I actually put it here in the hard drive. So after doing some research, I thought it is the best way for me to open photos library. So sometime formatting the drive and copying again the photos library to that drive helps to open the library again. So to do that, I have another drive which I formatted, and if you don't know how to format the drive, then you can watch my separate video on this. And then I copied this library to here, and then actually it works. So friends, I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.